Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very fun video for you guys. I actually won my very first giveaway. It was awesome. Like when I saw the email, I was like, what? That is crazy. You know, like I know so many people are like, oh, I don't even bother with giveaways because you never win. But anyways, so I entered the giveaway on Instagram. It was from PUR Cosmetics with Michael Todd Beauty. I finally got my boxes. I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait to show you everything that I want. Like I'm like mind blown of everything that I want, and I was just like, what? It's crazy. So let me just jump right into it. This is my first box. This is the box from PUR Cosmetics. It's covering my whole head. Scissors, ready to go. I'm like so anxious to finally open this. I have been waiting forever because it does take a while for you to get your stuff, which I'm not gonna lie, I was actually kind of like, I was like, maybe it's not true. But anyways, so this box is so heavy, I can't even tell you. Okay, so we have here paper, 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 and guess what? More paper. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna grab here, and holy moly, I legit think I have to have everything. Oh my god. I have the PUR Cosmetics See No More Deep Pore Cleanser. I'm like a little shocked right now because I legit think I have to have everything, and I cannot believe it right now. I cannot believe it. Yeah, so this is from their skincare line. This is the PUR Cosmetics See No More Deep Pore Cleanser. And look how cute that bottle is. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get through this because it is a couple of items. I'll do a more detailed video because I am gonna try all their skincare stuff out. I have been trying to get like a good skincare routine because I have sensitive skin. So I will do a more in-depth video on all their skincare stuff. But right now I'm just showing you what I want. So I have the PUR Cosmetics Melt Away Gel Oil Makeup Remover. It's a little bright. Then we have the Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray. Oh, cute. I really like their packaging. Like you see these little ridges here? It's really cute. Then we have here the Tone Up Total Eye Fitness. Probably like an under eye gel or something. This is the Forever Clean Gentle Cleanser. Oh, uber cute. I have the Make It Matte Oil Mattifying Blotting Stick. Come out. Ooh, okay. So this is the Oil Mattifying Blotting Stick. Here I have the Eyedentity Luxe Firming Eye Cream. This is an under eye cream. Definitely, I can just tell by the title. 4-in-1 Cloud Cream Gel to Water Hydrating Essence Moisturizer. Ooh, I mean, come on, is that packaging not like awesome? This is so cute. Like look at the top, look what like they put a lot of detail into their packaging, and I'm a big packaging person, so it just looks so cute. Okay, then I have the, I did these. I cannot even believe I have 2 of everything. I can't even tell you. I have the Precious Metals Oil Shimmering Dry Oil Elixir. I have the Shake and Boost Powder to Cream Multivitamin Booster. And this is going to be difficult for me to get out. There you go. Then I have the Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream. Ooh, so freaking cute. Again, this is the Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream. so stoked. When I tell you I'm stoked. This is the Soak It Up Intense Hydrating Moisturizer. Again, another lotion. Intense Hydrating Moisturizer. This packaging is sickening. This packaging is sickening. Okay, and the last two items I have here is the Ceretin Serum Age Defying Concentrate, which I have to start using because I'm hitting over 30. So this is the Age Defying Concentrate. Look at me, come on, look at this freaking packaging, bro. Like, isn't it the most? It's the most. And this is the Blue Agave Mask Energizing Peel Off Mask. That's just the PUR Cosmetics part. I haven't even opened the Michael Todd box yet. Can you believe that? Insane. From Michael Todd Beauty, I received the Sonic Blend Pro Antimicrobial Sonic Makeup Brush. And the Antimicrobial Sonic Skin Cleansing System. And this is in their marble pattern. You see these are marble. And last but not least, the Sonic Eraser Pro Sonic Infuser. I mean, hold on, I'm gonna try and pull this all up together. Look at this. This giveaway, I think, was like over $800. How insane is that? I'm telling you, I feel very lucky. I'm very grateful. Like, I can't even believe I have all this stuff right now. I'm just, I don't even know. It's just crazy. It's crazy to me. So that's all the stuff I won. It's crazy because it happened at the perfect time, because I'm telling you, I'm trying to find like a good skincare routine. I have sensitive skin. So, you know, it's like, I need help. You know, I need all the help I can get. So, can't wait to try all this stuff. I'm gonna do a review on everything, the PUR Cosmetics skincare line, the Michael Todd devices. I can't wait to try that foundation brush. Like, I've seen it on Instagram and I'm like, yo, that looks cool. So now I have one and I'm gonna try it. So stay tuned because it will be reviewed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media. All the info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys.